Hello everyone, welcome back to KramfoTech. In today's lecture, I'm going to talk about string data types. String data types basically plays an important role to perform so many string kind of operations. What is a string? A string is nothing, it's the sequence of character. It is a derived data type. It means that strings are immutables. This means that once you define the string, that cannot be changed. For changing the string you need to have so many string inbuilt functions. Okay, so to know more detail about the string, let's discuss one by one. The name equal to Ram, Krishn. Okay, now so any string basically starting index would be the 0, will go till n minus 1. Let's say the examples. The RAM will come in 0, A will come in 1, M will come in 2, space will come in 3, K will come in 4, R will come in 5, I will come in 6, S will come in 7, H will come in 8, and N will come in 9. So this is basically the index value. So these index value represent the each characters stored in the particular location. Okay, so how, so this index value help us to extract the single character from the particular index value. Now the name having the how many characters here? 10 characters. It means if the index value is starting from 0, so a start index is what? 0, and the last index end index will be the what? N minus 1. It means how many total characters? 10 characters. So 10 minus 1, which is 9. So you can see here the total number of characters in this string is what? 10. So the last index value will be 9. This was the one of the indexing options in the means how you are each and every characters you are indexing in the string variables. Okay, now one more options the Python provide to traverse the string from the reverse side. That is called, let's see, if I wanted to start from this, and so here you can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. Means the from back side, from the end of the character, you can start indexing. Means automatically the Python is providing this index -1. So let's print the one by one values. Then what would be the output? Then you will come to know. So if you are going to print, okay, name of 3 here. Okay, so what the value you will get here? You will get here space, right? Space will come, nothing, no character will come. Sometimes what happens, you have the more than 2 or 3 string operation, string variables, and you wanted to perform concatenation. For examples, many of the especially the employee having the first name, middle name, and last name. So this first name, middle name, last name, sometimes you have to perform, and a concatenation means it should come as a full name. So let's discuss this example, then you will understand very well. So we have the one string f name where you assign Ram, okay, and if we have the middle name m name, you assign Krishn, and we have the L name, okay, and you assign here Mishra. So there is 3 string, first name, middle name, and last name. So how this string can be concatenated to each other? Means can we? So we'll make one another variable, that the variable name is full name. Okay, full name, and we can concatenate this string using the plus operator, f name plus m name plus L name. Okay, so what the output you will get here, it will concatenate. Let's print this value, print, then you will come to know the exact full name. So you will get the Ram, Krishn, Mishra. Okay, but sometimes what happens, you need the space as well, right, between the name. So a string can also be one of the here. So between that, what you can do, we can write same thing in this way. full name equal to f name plus. Okay, and here we can give one space then plus. So this space basically will separate the two words in the name. So one space, then again you will write here plus m name, again give one single space in the quotes, then plus, and then you will give here l name. So this is the few things which you should focus very well while you are dealing with the string variables. Okay, so this is called concatenation. So especially the plus is the concatenation operator. Using that you can merge two string as a single string. Okay, so hope I'm able to make you understand in this. So keep watching videos, and after I know every sessions we do have the practical part. Vishesh Mehta is taking the practical sessions, so keep watching that part as well. So thank you so much.